Editorial paragraph published in Dawn News, 100 word per minute speed. This dictation is recorded by Shahid Ramzan, stenographer, Civil Court, Miachano. Ready? Start. Prime Minister Imran Khan has ordered the Food Security Ministry and the provinces to take measures for improving the accuracy of the agriculture supply chain data being collated by them. Full stop. As part of his government's economic diplomacy initiative, he also directed the ministry to develop a food security dashboard for transmission of dependable information to all stakeholders in a transparent manner. Full stop. The decision to improve the accuracy of agriculture data and develop the dashboard underscores the importance of reliable information collection for informed planning and policy making. Full stop. The ministry has been directed to take measures for gathering correct information related to production, consumption, waste, imports and exports of different agricultural commodities so that the government can ascertain the demand and supply situation for addressing food security challenges under the Prime Minister's Agriculture Emergency Program. Full stop. New para. The importance of data accuracy for setting agriculture policies and predicting accurate future demand and supply cannot be overstated. Full stop. At the same time, the availability of reliable information helps improve the governance of supply chains, exposes market manipulators, controls smuggling of food and sudden spikes in its price, and predicts market conditions for import and export regarding a particular product or commodity to prevent shortages in the domestic market or losses to farmers, especially smallholders. Full stop. The reasons for the recent recurrence of sugar and wheat shortages and the resulting increase in the price can be traced to the absence of reliable production and consumption record of the two commodities that limited the government's ability to correctly assess the situation and make timely decisions. Full stop. There have been numerous instances where data collecting departments and agencies reported incorrect production and consumption figures of major crops and horticulture products at the expense of growers and consumers. Full stop. Reliable data collection, especially in the agriculture sector, has never been a strong point of the relevant authorities. Full stop. The basic information collected from the field is mostly extrapolated and is of poor quality. Full stop. More important, it does not capture the entire supply chain or the smaller commodities and horticulture products. Full stop. Also, the information is scattered at various levels of government, which means it cannot be used for analyzing the exact supply situation, planning and policy making. Full stop. This is in spite of the availability of new, cheaper information gathering tools and modern satellite and mobile technology. Full stop. The development of the proposed dashboard is expected to take care of data fragmentation. Full stop. Yet, for improving its accuracy, the government will have to encourage the use of technology at all levels. Full stop. It will also need to ensure that the dashboard carries information on water availability for different crops, cultivate, data and analysis of global markets to give a complete picture to stakeholders. Full stop. This kind of data is not only required to predict the domestic market correctly but also to integrate our agriculture sector in the global supply chain. Full stop.